Hello, good morning, everyone. Today, another one interesting video of the secrets and dynamics of Aruda Lagna in predictions. So, we are adopting various methods and systems for predicting the chart. But what is most important is many people are not able to recognize is the Aruda Lagna. Because Aruda Lagna, why it is very important, we are going to discuss with another partner. I am going to welcome our Facebook group admin Prachi Saxena ji for this discussion, and she is joining shortly. And we are going to discuss the topic of Aruda Lagna. Why it is so important in Vedic astrology, and how are we going to predict it with the Aruda Lagna? And as you all knew that we are running a Facebook group of astrology quizzes, and we are going to discuss some of the interesting charts in the already released charts in the group to understand the dynamics of Aruda Lagna. So this topic is very interesting. At the same time, a bit of small interest in this topic will make you understand this topic very nicely, and also can able to do brilliant predictions through this wonderful topic. So we are going to discuss about it, and I'm waiting for Prachi ji to join the discussion, and then this discussion will be I will do for both audience English, and if she can explain in Hindi, then it is welcome as well. So I am waiting for her to join. Welcome. Audio. Okay. Now audio is okay. So we are, good morning. So we are going to discuss a beautiful topic called as the secrets and dynamics of Aruda Lagna. So the very beautiful topic in astrology, and also everyone can able to predict this wonderful topic called as Aruda Lagna. Only some small level of intelligence is required to solve this brilliant topic. Why it is very important? Why the Aruda Lagna is very important? That is what we are going to discuss. So today you have some questions, so you can ask about what you are having in mind, so that we can able to clarify the doubts for our audience regarding Lagna, Lagna Lord, and Aruda Lagna.
So what is meaning of Lagna Lord?
And Aruda.
And Aruda.
And Aruda Lord. Okay.
How to say Aruda?
Okay, very good. So before that, we will first understand the Lagna. We will understand the, before going to that, we will understand the Guna of the planets. In the Guna of the planets, we are having total 7 grahas. And in the 7 grahas, 2 grahas are called as Rajas. Which are the 2?
Rajas is Venus.
Another one?
Another one is
Mercury. Mercury and Venus. So what is the Venus and Mercury's responsibility is to create, because it is having lot of Rajas. Both the planets is having lot of Rajas. So it will create lot of Rajas in these planets. So the Rajas means lot of creation, passion.
Creation.
So it want to create and create and create. That is the purpose of these planets. So if the Aruda Lagna is having the Venus or Mercury, then they will have lot of creation. That means they will do multiple level of creation. So, for example, a particular person having Venus in the Aruda Lagna, for example, he will be a beautiful artist. He will be doing a painting, for example. He will be creating lot of paints. He will be doing lot of music. He will be doing lot of some art form. Imagine somebody is having Aruda Lagna of Mercury. That person will be a creator of Mercury's significations. Like, for example, he will create, he will be a good writer, and he will having a tremendous oral ability to speak. So that kind of quality this Mercury will provide. These two Rajas Grahas. Now we will understand the Sattva Grahas. There are three Sattva Grahas. One is Sun, another is Jupiter, and the third one is Moon. Lagna is the significator of the Sattva Graha, which is Sun. What is the procedure of Sattva? What is the purpose of Sattva? Sattva is a purpose of sustenance. Sattva is a purpose of sustenance. So, because God has given three gunas. One is he is creating, the other one is sustaining, the other one is destruction. There are only three tattvas. Three gunas. So one is creation, other is sustenance, other one is destruction. These are the three forms of principles in our Vedic philosophy. So in that, the sun is actually want sustenance. So what is the sustenance for the lagna? What is the sattva of sun in the lagna?
Intelligence, health.
To have good health. Very good.
Health.
To have a good health and a good body. Good health, good body, good physique, good personality. That is the sattva guna of sun in the lagna. That is why sun is the significator for lagna. Okay. And what is the lagna lord's purpose? The lagna lord will behave like another sattva graha called as Jupiter. And what is the Jupiter's purpose? Is to create intelligence. So wisdom. So which is the significant? What is the significator for ninth house? There are two planets which is significator of ninth house. One is Sun, Jupiter. That is why when we are taking birth, we are having the father's identity. Yes. You are having the surname which is coming from the father. If you are a South Indian, the initials are coming from the father. Yes. And if you are North Indians, they keep the surname because the surname denote the family name of the father. It also shows the dharma of the father. It also shows the religion of the father. Yes. It shows the father's religion. It shows the father's dharma. It also shows the father's principles to be adopted. So if a father is having good quality, the child also will have good quality. So the sun, which is provider of health and the body and the personality, that is the purpose of the lagna. The lagna lord, after you are having say 4 or 5 years, the father's responsibility is to hand over the child to another sattva graha. Who is the sattva graha? Jupiter. Correct. That is why the father is taking the son to the school and giving the responsibility to the teacher to take the responsibility of the father. So from the 5th year onwards till the 18th year, the Jupiter is grooming the person in such a way according to his intellect level. So every guru will try to mold the student according to his intelligence and then handing over to another person. Who is that other person?
Moon.
Correct. So the Jupiter is handing over to Moon. That is why we are saying Moon is the society. Okay. So the three sattva gruhas, how they are working, you see. Now after molding till 18 years, the guru is handing over that intelligence, whatever the person has studied. Based on the intelligence, the person is handed over to another person called as Moon. And that Moon decides how much personality and status the person will have, how much image and the social standing the person will have in the society.
Because
So,
moon is public.
because moon is public. So whatever the intelligence your guru has given to you, based on that, the moon is telling that now I will give you status. So among the three, all of them are having equal responsibility for molding a person, a personality. And if you see these three sattva grahas, these are the three important personalities of our human life. One is father, another is guru, and another is mother. Mother. Now, if we see the proverb is Ma, Pita, Guru, then only God. So who is number one here actually in the proverb?
Mother.
That is why Arudha Lagna is very important.
Oh.
Whichever Lagna among the three, which Lagna is very important? Arudha Lagna, number one. If anyone is studying the horoscope with Lagna, they will be in the second category. Those who are studying the horoscope with the Lagna Lord, then they will be studying in the third category. So if you want to learn a horoscope, how to do a horoscope reading, you have to study the Arudha Lagna.
Arudha Lagna, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Because image makes from, we can see image from Arudha.
Correct. Image makes a person who they are. Okay. Now I will give you one example. Now imagine you are actually going to a wedding ceremony. You are going to a
wedding ceremony.
And the whole wedding ceremony is waiting for the bride and groom to join and all this thing happening. So one person with a very high level of body physique is coming, highly fit. He is very good in looking, good personality, very good health. He is looking like very good in muscles and all these things, a gym body. So he is walking inside. Will anyone give a chair to him? Will anyone give a chair to him? Nobody will give. Because
why?
Because already they are occupied with the chair. Why should I give my chair to him? He is no one to me. Why should I give a chair to him? You are already occupying the chair. He is also coming for the wedding. Why should I give a chair to him? You not even bother. Who is that fellow? This fellow. Who is this? Will you bother? No, nobody will bother. You will just see, okay, somebody has come with the body. That's all. Okay.
Personality won't affect anybody.
Personality is just a body physique. That's all. I am not giving respect to him.
Means that will not make image of him.
I am not giving respect. Are you giving your chair? You are sitting in the wedding, for example. You are sitting and you are also in the same. Like why should you stand up and give for somebody who is 6 feet tall? Will you give a person chair with a 6 feet tall? I don't think so. Will you give a chair? Okay. Somebody is coming with a very somebody now coming with a 6 feet tall and saying that Prachi ji aap uthiye, mera chair mujhe chahiye. Will you give the chair to him? No. Will you give somebody, a lady coming with 6 feet tall, she is saying, Prachi ji aap uthiye, mera chair mujhe baithna hai aap. So will you give the chair to her? No. So now second fellow is coming. He is a very highly learned PhD fellow, doctorate. From the face, can you recognize that he is a doctorate?
No.
So he's walking inside now. Now, unless and until you are introduced with him, you don't know what is he, correct?
Yes.
Unless and until he is introduced to you,
yes.
Will
Without
you recognize? You cannot recognize he is a PhD. And also, why should somebody with a PhD, there is no tag also in the head? Humans are having a tag here? No.
No.
So you also don't know whether he is a PhD or not. or such a highly learned professor from Oxford, you don't know. So will you give a chair to him when he is coming inside?
No.
So you will not give also.
No.
Now imagine Shah Rukh Khan is coming inside. The whole marriage hall and also the society around that area will all have a huge noise. Oh, Shah Rukh aa gaya, Shah Rukh aa gaya.
Yeah.
Now imagine, is Shah Rukh is highly educated?
No.
No. Is Shah Rukh Khan is very good in physics? Can you give a certificate that he is highly physics? No.
No. No.
He is having such a solid personality? No.
No.
Is Shah Rukh is having a high level of education? No. I don't think so. You are thinking so? No. But who is actually very popular in the marriage hall? It is Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. Public image.
Correct. So that alone will stand. Now, another one more example. Now, we are all, you are walking in the road. Now, another one more person is also walking on the road. He is very highly wealthy in the whole city. He is very wealthy. But when he is walking, can you recognize that he is wealthy?
No.
So you will say, oh, what is it? He is also walking. So you will not give him any respect. But imagine that the same fellow the next day coming with the Audi car or a very high class car is coming. So how you will see him? You will say that who is this fellow? I say,
You can assume he's rich.
oh yeah, one glance we are seeing, who is this fellow? We can assume that he is very popular. With one shot of that car arrival, you will understand that, oh, this fellow is having high status. Okay. So now we are going to see from the horoscope how to find it. Okay. So now we are going to see how to find it. Now, first of all, we have to see the Arudha Lagna calculation. For understanding the Arudha Lagna, you understood that who is the main significator of the Arudha Lagna? It is moon.
Any Arudha.
Any Arudha, the significator is moon, because we have seen that there are only 3 Sattva Grahas. For Lagna, the significator is sun.
Sun.
For Lagna Lord, the significator is Jupiter.
Okay.
For the Arudha Lagna, the significator is moon. So, if the Lagna Lord is placed in 3, 6, 10 and 11, the person is highly intelligent.
3, 6 and 11.
3, 6, 10 and 11.
10.
Why they are intelligent? Because 3, 6 and 10 is ruled by Mercury as a significator. The third and Bhava, 6th Bhava is the ruler of Mercury. 6th Bhava is the exaltation of Mercury. Third house is the own house of Mercury. 10th house is the significator of Mercury.
Significator.
And 11th house is the significator of Guru.
Good.
When they both are joining, the person becomes highly intelligent. So, if Lagna Lord is in 3, 6, 10 and 11, the person is highly intelligent. And similarly, if the Arudha Lagna Lord is placed in 3, 6, 10 and 11, then also the person is very intelligent. Okay. But I cannot recommend whether the person is highly popular. So, because moon says that is my domain. Nobody can enter that domain to me. If moon is confirming, then only the person is popular. How to see that now? Now we are going to see the calculation of the Arudha. The calculation of the Arudha is very, very simple, no complications. If the Lagna from the Lagna, see the Lagna Lord. Count as many number of houses which has traveled, and from that house take the number of houses it is traveling. That is Arudha Lagna. Simple. But the only problem is, can you see your own image? If you want to see your image, can you see by yourself? You cannot see. Now, why you cannot see? Because your own image, can you see today how you look? I can only see. You can see? No.
No.
No. From the opposite, can you see your own face? No. So that is why if the Aruda is, whatever the calculation we are doing, if the Aruda is coming in the 1 or 7, we cannot do it directly. Then there are exceptions. Because, okay, now before to going to that level, sun is the provider of light. That is the first tattva, first guna. The sun is the provider of all the light source. And what is the light is all for? Is for your energy, for your own health. And then Jupiter, they distribute the light knowledge. That is why Jupiter is called as wisdom, guru. He is actually distributing the light of the sun. And what is moon is doing? Moon is receiving the light from the sun and reflecting the light back.
Yes.
And when it is reflecting the light back, to whom it is reflecting is to the public. That is why but sun and other people cannot reflect. Who is having the capability of reflection? Moon. That is why the moon is popular. Because your society is ready to accept you. Your society is ready to accept you. Suppose if I am coming and saying that I am so and so, but I cannot be successful unless and until the society is accepting me. Correct? So to have that societal acceptance, I should have such an Aruda. Okay.
Powerful.
Aruda. So we are seeing the Lagna Lord's image where it falls. That is called Aruda Lagna. That is why the moon is coming into picture. Lagna Lord alone, Jupiter. It is only giving the buddhi in which you got from your guru. Intellect you got from your guru. Moon is what we need actually. How popular we are. To understand that, we are going to see the Aruda Lagna calculation. Now, Aruda Lagna calculation is very simple. Take say for example, in Aries Lagna, suppose the Aries Lagna's Lord is Mars. And the Mars is placed in Taurus. Then the Aruda Lagna goes to Gemini. Because Aries to Taurus is 2 houses.
2 houses.
From Taurus, you have to go another 2 houses to reach Aruda Lagna.
Wherever Lagna Lord is placed, we will count that number and again count same number.
Same number.
To reach.
To the Aruda. To the Aruda Lagna. Correct. Now, you have seen that it has gone into the 3rd house, Gemini. Okay. Imagine in that house there is a Mercury. Okay. Imagine the Mercury itself is placed there. What is the prediction I will give? I will say that the person could be either a publisher, a writer, or an accountant. Or an
Accountant.
Because he is calculating all the time.
We will consider 3rd house significance.
Third house, because the 3rd house is all about communication. 3rd house is all about accounting. 3rd house is all about publishing, speaking, journal, all these things. So either he should be a person who is writer of the magazine, or he should be a publisher of the magazine, or he should be a own business enterprise also, 3rd house, or a person who is doing accounting. Finished with one single result. Why are we making so much complication? I don't know. So now, whether that person is highly popular or not with that Mercury is what we need to know. I am a writer, but whether that writer is popular, how to see that? Aspect of moon. If moon is joining the Aruda Lagna, the person is very famous. And if the moon is aspecting the Aruda Lagna, then also the person is highly famous. And if the moon is conjuncted with the Aruda Lagna Lord, then also the person is famous. So wherever the Aruda and the Lagna Lord or conjunction or the aspect, whatever way the moon is related to the Aruda Lagna, the person becomes highly popular.
This moon influence is must.
Moon's influence is must to the Aruda Lagna to make sure that he is popular in the society. Because after Guru's Siksha, after the Guru's teaching, where are you coming? You are coming to the society. If the society is rejecting you, you cannot be successful.
Yes.
If the society is accepting you, then you will be successful. And if the society is receiving you with a warm welcome, then you become very popular.
Yes.
That is the only reason for the Aruda Lagna. Because how your image is reflecting is all about the Aruda Lagna. So, how are we going to read that Aruda Lagna is what we are going to see today. Okay, now the complications are your, for example, your Lagna is Cancer, correct?
Right.
Lagna Lord is in Cancer itself.
Yes.
So, you cannot see your own face.
No.
So, in such circumstances, I am taking the 10th from it.
Aruda.
Aruda Lagna. Then your Aruda Lagna will go to the Aries.
If Lagna Lord in Lagna, then Aruda Lagna will be in 10th house.
Aruda Lagna will be in 10th house. And if it is in 7th, the calculation is coming to 7th, then from 7th to 10th, it becomes 4th house.
4th house.
That's all. Okay. Now, everything which is associated with the Kitna, how much? How much? Whether this much or that much? Fame is okay. Even the fame, I need quantum. Shah Rukh Khan is highly popular or very small level of popularity? I have to know that also, correct? When you are reading the chart. Okay. So the Aruda Lagna Lord will show the how much you are having as popularity. Okay. So we are actually now dividing the Aruda Lagna into two categories. Category number 1, we are seeing the how much popularity, whether it is this much or that much, I don't know. So I am going to see the popularity of the person's Aruda Lagna. And whichever in the house where the Aruda is placed, now there is another concept which we want to introduce is, like a Lagna, there are images for other houses also, which is again ruled by the same moon only. So the second house Aruda, we have to see. Third house Aruda, we have to see. Fourth house Aruda, we are seeing. So every Aruda we are seeing to find out how the moon had accepted you in the society. How the society talks about your perception about your mother. How this mother for fourth house Aruda is mother. Suppose you are having a vehicle and immediately you are buying a new vehicle. Very high level range of vehicle you are buying. Immediately the first person who will notice that vehicle is not you or anyone, the society. Your neighborhood will be the first person to notice. That is why whenever we see somebody is coming to our house, their first view will be kya kya liya naya.
Yes.
Because they want to understand that anything new happening in your house or not. So everything which is associated, every bhava is having the Aruda because the society is watching you. If there are any changes to your relationship, the society will find it. If there is any problem with your health, the society will find it. If there is any changes in your body for a progeny or pregnancy, the society will be the first person to watch. Even the people who may not know also, but the society will tell you that this lady is pregnant from their day one. Because how they know? Because they are asking every day. Because the moon wants to watch every day, it is vastly rotating. He wants to watch everyone. That is the reason moon is fastly rotating.
Yes.
Every 2.5 days, he's continuously rotating, changing to watch what is going on.
That is nice.
And what is going on will be the image which is created. And if there is any changes in the profession of somebody, that is also denoted by the moon. Suppose somebody is having promotion, somebody is having demotion. Both the promotion and demotion been denoted by the moon. So immediately a person is promoted, the public will come to know, because you will tell to some few ladies that my husband is promoted. Usko this position mil gaya. And after the invent of this phone, everybody is continuously posting their images and status. Why? Because they want to forecast themselves in front of the society that I am so and so every day.
Yes.
Yeah, because they want to convey that, see, I have watched the movie today. What are they conveying? They are saying that I am very happy today. So they are converting the image of happiness of the fourth house in such a form so that everybody is watching. Okay. If somebody is cooking something very newly, that also comes in the fourth house.
Yes.
Everything related to your kitchen is reflected in the fourth house. Everything which is related to your property is in the fourth house. Everything which is happening on your education is also in the fourth house. So you see how important that was. Now, any Aruda which is along, it is standing along with the Aruda will also rise. Any Aruda which is along with the Aruda Lagna will
Yes.
rise. Why? Because every Aruda wants to rise. That is the only simple formula. If moon wants to rise continuously. Sun is already a big boss. He don't want number one. Who wants the number one always is the number two. Because that is why moon wants to always become number one, and that is why he is having so much of desire to show to everyone that I am so and so. Because sun already had attained the king position. He don't want.
Already, yes.
So he is not so much interested in coming into number one. So who is actually interested in coming to number one is moon.
Moon.
And Jupiter also is not very much interested. He is interested only to collect wisdom, knowledge.
Yes.
He don't want number one. So who wants number one? Always moon. That is why in the chart, if somebody is bringing the chart, I don't see any other Lagna. I only see the Aruda Lagna. Because that is the only way of communication, how the society accepts him. How the society had accepted. So that is a simple. So anything associated with the Aruda also will rise. So that means you should not have any bad Arudas along with the Aruda Lagna. If it is placed, that also will rise.
Bad image will rise.
Bad problems. Like for example, if somebody is having 6th house Aruda is with Aruda Lagna, that problem will also rise. If somebody is having 8th house Aruda with the Aruda Lagna, oh my God, lot of problems, lot of changes, lot of things will happen with the problematic things with the life.
The problem related with 6th house or 8th house significance.
Correct. All will rise.
Always.
Because those are the image, na?
Yes.
Those are the image. So image will always rise with the related area. Now, we have seen the Aruda Lagna is all about how much fame. Aruda Lagna Lord.
Lord.
Yeah. That is showing the how much fame I will have. The planets which are associated or conjuncted with the Aruda Lagna will show in the area of the fame. What for you are famous? That will show by the nature of the planet which is associated. For example, if that is why I said that Aruda Lagna is having a Mercury. Imagine that Mercury is associated in Capricorn. But still, Aruda Lagna was having Mercury. The person should have an excellent ability of language.
Why in Capricorn?
No, I'm just giving example. Suppose if Aruda Lagna is Capricorn and Mercury is in Capricorn. So Mercury shows the area in which he is popular. The Aruda Lagna के साथ जो planets है, वो बता रहा है कि आप किस area में आप popular हो. So Mercury is for popular for what? He should be a good writer. He should be a good speaker. He is having excellent ability in calculation. Or the person is very good in money making. Or the person is very good in career. Or the person is very good in some other area which is associated with Mercury. So all the area domain of Mercury, all will be given to them free of cost. So then you are seeing whether the moon is aspected by the Rashi Drishti.
Rashi Drishti, not planet.
Rashi Drishti, then it is very high popularity. That means if the Capricorn Mercury is having, it is a movable sign, correct? So I need moon to be placed in Simha to having an aspect to that particular Mercury. So if the moon is in Simha and aspecting that Mercury, then I know that the person will be highly popular. He is having lot of social image. Social image. That's all.
Planet aspect don't count.
Planet aspect do not count because it is only as giving only at a dasha level. But if it is a Rashi Drishti, then it will be permanent throughout your life. Because status I want throughout ना. एक दशा के लिए status लेके मैं क्या करूँगा? Suppose only if you are having only aspect of moon only the Graha Drishti, then also it is very good. But that is happening only during the time in which the dasha runs. I want any association is welcome. But if it is Rashi Drishti, it is permanent. But if it is Graha Drishti, then that is only during the time in which the dasha runs. Then also it is popularity only. No doubt he is popular. But that popularity will come only at a certain point of time in life. So
we can see how much time
you have not asked one question. Suppose Aruda Lagna house is empty. Then what no planet. Then what we have to do? Take the lordship of the Aruda Lagna and see what for that Aruda Lagna stands for. That is your area in which you will become popular. That is your area in which you become popular. That means the grahas which are associated with the Aruda Lagna, that is where you will become popular. That is the area in, yeah.
AL Lord or AL?
पहले तो हमने AL देखा. AL में if there is no planet, yes. If there is having a planet in AL, for example, then that shows the area in which you are popular.
Yes.
If there is no planet, there is no area in which you are popular.
Yes.
But Aruda Lagna Lord shows how much you are popular. Kitna? Itna or itna?
Okay.
Itna or
so that won't show. वो area नहीं दिखाएगा.
वो area.
AL Lord.
वो area
नहीं दिखाएगा. नहीं दिखाएगा.
Now we have to see then the Aruda Lagna, if there is no planet, see which are all the planets which are aspecting that Aruda Lagna. then that particular area will be so much of interest for that particular person. वो area जो है जिसमें he is having interest.
फिर AL Lord क्या करेंगे?
AL Lord, we are seeing only for the quantity. How much I will become popular. अभी तक आप नहीं समझे. अभी तक आप नहीं समझे लग रहा है शायद. Okay. If there is planet which are associated with the Aruda Lagna, suppose Aruda Lagna में कोई planet है, for example, Jupiter है, the person should be a good teacher. Or the person is highly knowledgeable.
That I got. If in any planet in मतलब Aruda Lagna, so that will show area.
वो डायरेक्टली आपको बता दिया ये एरिया में आप स्पेशलिटी है. अगर समझो कोई भी प्लैनेट नहीं है, फिर कोई डोमेन आप चूज ही नहीं किया पॉपुलैरिटी के लिए. लेकिन यू हैव टू चूज, बट हमने नहीं चूज किया. इट इज आवर जब बर्थ टाइम में वी हैव नेवर चोजन. कोई एरिया हमने चूज करना पड़ता है ना, एरिया फॉर मी टू गेट पॉपुलैरिटी. But that Aruda Lagna Lord will show the indications only where I want to become popular. It shows where I want to become popular. And the aspect of the planets also show where I want to become popular. The main problem is when there is no planet in Aruda Lagna. If there is a planet in Aruda Lagna, ये तो simple हो गया. But if there is no planet in Aruda Lagna, then there is a problem. Then we are seeing the indications through the Aruda Lagna Lord. Then only we can able to understand. You are having now any chart of Swami Vivekananda or any chart? Try to see.
Yeah. Swami Vivekananda.
Yes. Any chart you can just take so that our people understand what it is. Or I will show you in the screen. One moment.
Sister ka chart.
No. Don't take the personal charts. I will just take some charts. 1 second. Swami Vivekananda. Well, we'll see one by one. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I am showing the Swami Vivekananda for you. Okay.
Capricorn Lagna.
No, I am showing you now. No, Swami Vivekananda is Sagittarius Lagna.
Sagittarius.
Yes. So that means that is a wrong chart. I will show you now. You are having a wrong chart. Okay. I will show you. Are you able to see the Swami Vivekananda now?
Time. Yes, I can see.
You can see?
Yes.
Okay.
But,
now, okay. Now you see. Now let the audience also listen to it. Now you see, the Lagna is Sagittarius.
Okay.
Lagna is
Sagittarius.
And the Lagna Lord is Jupiter.
Yes.
Lagna is Sagittarius. And Lord is Jupiter. So now we have understood that Sattva Guna of planets, correct?
Yes.
So if you see here, he says that my body, I want to give it to my Guru. I want to give my personality to my Guru. Why? Because the 9th Lord is from the ascendant, it is 9th Lord. And what is the Aruda Lagna for this person? It is Aruda Lagna is Leo. Again, the Aruda Lagna Leo is Sun, ruled by Sun. And Sun is in the Lagna. Yes. And Sun is the 9th Lord.
Yes.
So he is confirming that my Aruda Lagna do not have any planets. But I want to show the area in which I want to become fame. And he came with Sun. That means through his Guru, he will become popular.
Yes.
Through his Guru, he will become popular. Is the moon aspecting it?
Rashi Drishti.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it is aspecting it.
Yes, aspect.
No, it is aspecting the Aruda Lagna Lord. So, according to me, what I said was, if the Aruda Lagna, if is aspected by moon, or Aruda Lagna Lord is aspected by moon, the person is highly famous.
In both cases.
In both the cases, he is highly famous. So, this particular person is a very famous personality within seconds after chart reading.
Yes.
If I don't give Swami Vivekananda chart, can you able to find out? It is very difficult. Okay, now you see which all planets which are associated with Aruda Lagna also will rise, I told you, right? So now you see the Aruda, the 12th house Aruda is there. 12th house Aruda is also there in the Aruda Lagna. That means the 12th house planet is Mars, and Mars is placed in the 6th house from it. And sorry, the 12th house is yeah, 12th house is correct. So it is also having the Aruda of 12th house. It is also having the Aruda of the 7th house also. Okay. So now you see the 7th house Aruda is Mercury. 7th house is Mercury. Mercury is placed in the 8th house. From 8th to 8th, the Aruda falls in the Aruda Lagna itself. So what he is conveying? He is conveying, I am having some speciality with my marriage. Marriage. Because 7th house is a marriage.
Okay.
And he was a sannyasi. So he want to show to the society, मेरे पास एक speciality आके देखो. So if you don't have speciality, nothing will be there. But if there is a speciality, he will say that come and see that. उसके साथ the 12th house Aruda is also placed. So it shows that he is also having very clear image with this marriage. He was a sannyasi. So when somebody is sannyasi, immediately the society, how they will speak. Because society को आप शादी कर रहे, it is not a big news for them. But आप ऐसा announce करो कल से मैं सन्यासी होने वाला हूँ, everybody will see you. That is how the people behave. Whichever is strange, the people want that first. कोई भी बड़ा news कैसा आता है? If it is a strange news, people want that immediately. Just normally news, nobody is interested. आपने पास हो गया, not interested. मैं आज सन्यासी बन रहा हूँ, अरे immediately सब लोग देखेंगे.
Sudden surprise.
Sudden surprise, because that is what Aruda speaks about. Now, if you see the Aruda Lagna is Sun, and Sun is in the Lagna, he says that very clearly, my Guru is everything for my familiarity. And his fame was associated with the Guru. The moment he had found his Guru, he became very popular. Yes. And who is aspecting it? Moon is aspecting. Along with Moon, और एक planet aspect कर रहा है, वो कौन है?
Saturn.
Correct. So he is telling that I can be a popular figure, but I could be a sadhu. Because Saturn is telling that I don't have anything. I am like a normal man. But I still have popularity. Vivekananda के पास कुछ नहीं था, but he is very popular. How? Because of simple category Moon. Moon will show where the popularity will come from. Okay. Now the Moon has given the popularity status बता दिया उसको. और वो भी लग्ना में ही sun है. So it will show that the familiar famous personality will come through the Guru. Because from the lagna, it is the 9th lord. So we are always seeing the chart in 3 parameters. One is Lagna, Lagna Lord, and
Moon.
Aruda Lagna. So among that, how to make the sequence? Aruda Lagna first, Lagna second, then Lagna Lord third. Now I will show you how to read this now. The Aruda Lagna is here. It is the ninth.
Yes.
It is ninth house from the Lagna.
Yes.
He will be famous because of his Guru.
Yes.
He will be famous because of his
Guru.
Guru. So wherever the Aruda Lagna is, it is directly communicating what for you are popular. Okay. So you are showing that this person is having popularity with associated with the ninth house, and he is a social figure. He is having popularity because of the Guru.
Yes.
Okay. Now go to the second planet, which is Sun. Sun is having, Lagna is having Sun.
Yes.
Correct? Correct. But the person do not have longevity. How I am saying that with very confidence. This person will not live longer. Why? Because the 8th Lord Saturn is aspecting and the 2nd Lord of Saturn aspecting. So he will have a Maraka at the early age. Within seconds, prediction is over. I am telling he is a very popular figure because of his Guru. Second, he is not having longevity because the 8th Lord's Lord longevity planet is Moon and 2nd Lord Maraka is aspecting the Lagna Sun. So his health will be not good. So his body will have ailment, problem with health. And now see the third planet who is a Lagna Lord.
Jupiter.
He will get lot of wisdom from his Guru.
Yes.
Everything which is associated in these 3 is Vivekananda. So with one chart, I have explained you how to read all these 3.
Beautiful.
And with the sequence also from Aruda Lagna, from Lagna, and then from Lagna Lord. So now Lagna Lord is Jupiter, correct? Okay. Where it is placed? Is it in a good house or a bad house? It is placed in the Libra.
Libra. Not.
Libra is a house of Venus.
Yes.
Is Vivekananda highly educated? No. But he will have lot of learnings from his Guru. He will have lot of learnings from his Guru. What is ultimate important is how much wisdom he is having. He is having lot of wisdom. And Sun is here in the second, as I told you, Sun. I want to see the Aruda Lagna first. I told you Aruda Lagna I have examined already. And how is the Aruda Lagna from the Moon?
4:30.
Now, how is Aruda Lagna from the Moon?
12.
That is why he became a sannyasi. Both have to work for the popularity. He is very popular, but what for he is popular? For his spirituality. 12th house is a renunciation. Sannyasi की वजह से वो popular हो गया.
As per ascendant, it is the 9th also.
Yes, that is why Guru आके उसको संन्यास दिया, तब popular हो गया वो.
Yes.
And why he became popular is explained because of the Moon.
Hmm.
And you see that the Sun is the Aruda Lagna and Sun is in the Lagna itself and it is the 9th Lord. So Guru आ गया Aruda Lagna के ऊपर. So Aruda Lagna is becoming famous because of his Guru.
Whole life was influenced by him.
Correct. So with one single examination, we can able to find out who is the person. सारे क्वेश्चन को यहाँ से आपको शुरुआत मिल जाएगा. पहले वो आपको मालूम पड़ना ना कि आपके पास कौन आया है चार्ट लेके.
Yes.
ये मैंने बताया नहीं, विवेकानंद का चार्ट मैंने दे दिया ऐसा ही. तो you have to give the prediction that Aruda Lagna is Sun. It is aspected by Moon. The person is highly popular. but it is having a Saturn aspect also. That means the person is not interested for making money. He is a very poor, very normal man.
Hmm.
He is not interested for making money. Why? Because Saturn is there.
Yes.
Okay. Now, second, how the analysis should go. Second, you should take the Sun, which is a Lagna.
Hmm.
And with the Lagna, we are examining the Sun.
Hmm.
And Sun is in this case, the Sun itself is in the Lagna.
Lovely.
But it is aspected by the 8th Lord.
Hmm.
It is aspected by the 2nd Lord, Maraka.
Marika.
So the person will not have good longevity. Then we are going to the next step. What is the next step? What is the Lagna Lord? Lagna Lord is Jupiter. It's placed in an enemy house.
Hmm.
But he is having lot of knowledge related to his Guru. He is having a buddhi which is related like a Guru. Because the significator is Guru, and in this case it is the Lagna Lord itself is Guru.
Yeah.
So
In 11th house, अपने significant के house में.
correct. And his buddhi is all about doing upatesha, guru. He is a guru himself. He's actually trained by a guru, and he became a guru himself. And you can see all of them within one step.
Nice. Very
Oh,
nice.
superb, na?
Super.
So this person is a guru. He should be a person who is having shorter longevity, and we also seen that the person is a renounced guru and also having no interest in making money, and he should have a shorter longevity. Everything through a single step procedure of chart reading.
Right.
And whatever the planet which is associated with it is bringing that particular area. So again, while closing, we are seeing today what we have learned. The Lord of the Aruda will show how much popularity in terms of volume you are having. Itna ki utna ki jada. So in this case, how you will examine the Aruda Lagna Lord is Sun, and it is aspected by the moon. So he is very popular. The quantum is very high level of popularity. Why? Because of moon. Okay. And the planet which is associated with the Aruda Lagna will give the area in which he is popular. So in his case, can you tell me what for he is popular? He is popular because of his Shishya, because Mars is aspecting the Leo. So and Mars is the 5th Lord. Mars is also
Sun itself, 5th house Lord, as per Kal Purush.
No, yeah, but this house is aspected by Mars. So 5th Lord, that means he will have lot of supporters, followers. शिष्य होंगे उसके पास ज़्यादा. और वो शिष्य लोग सारे फॉरेन से आएंगे.
Foreign.
Because Mars is a 12th Lord. Okay. Now this Venus and Mercury is also aspecting this house. So Venus is the 6th Lord. He become popular because of his sannyas. And the Mercury is also aspecting, and he is popular in his career because 10th house is for him it is doubly popular because 10th Lord is Mercury, and Mercury itself is a significator of profession. And what for he is popular? Because he is popular because of he is a sannyasi. He is not married. Why? Venus is the 6th Lord. So he is not married, and because of that unmarried, and because he is very skilled in his profession, he becomes very much popular. So you can see where are the levels in which he is popular. 5th house is the house of mantra. So he should be a person who can always tell about mantras. And this Venus and Mercury is the 2nd house. He should be a very good speaker. Obviously. So he has to go and demonstrate his speaking ability in a foreign country because Mars is the 12th Lord. And he will go and speak in a foreign country about mantras. Then he become very popular. He will also get huge amount of followers, sishyas. So from this, you can understand what are the impact the Aruda is getting. So I am seeing only the movable houses aspecting this house. That's all. So I am seeing what level of popularity he is. So he is popular. He is popular also for his non-marriage status. He is not married. He is not having any relationship. His marriage itself, he become very popular because he renounced. Since he has renounced, he become very popular. And his guru also has renounced. That is why the guru is also popular. How I have seen the guru is also renounced, because from the moon, the guru is also 12th house. That means the guru also should be a high level of renounced person. So that is Ramakrishna. And Vivekananda is also become a huge follower of this person because his image has raised because of his guru. Guru के वजह से उसको image मिलेगा. So we have seen that where the image is coming from. और यहाँ पे देखिए क्या beautiful combination है. Sun has given the light to moon. Moon is giving back the light to the sun.
Sun. Purnima.
So it is very beautiful. You see how much knowledgeable the person is. So whenever you see his photo, you can see that there will be a big level of circle wisdom will be shown in his background. It is because the sun and moon are exchanging the light each other.
Light each other.
It's beautiful, right? And his Lagna Lord is Jupiter itself. So you can see that also.
There was divinity.
Huh?
Divinity.
Yeah, divinity. Correct. And from the Jupiter also you can see he is a sannyas. How? From the 6th to the 6th house is 11th. So he has taken the intelligence because of his sannyas, because of his celibacy.
Yes.
So the person has having a celibacy, that image has come from Venus, and he also is popular because of his renunciation. He is also popular because of his career, because Mercury, he is very intelligent in speaking. Because Mercury is aspecting Aruda, he is very good in speaking. He is also should be a very good writer.
Right.
So he is a very good. He is a very good speaker. He was a very good person in communicating. So he is having lot of knowledge related to mantra. That is why he has got lot of sishyas. So from today we are going to see this Aruda Lagna, which is the most important Lagna among all. I have explained why. Because from the proverb, it is very clearly the rishis have said Ma, Pita, Guru, then only God. So among the Sattva Grahas, who is popular? Moon. So the significator of moon is Aruda Lagna. And after that, you have to see the sun, who is the significator of Lagna. Then you have to see the Guru, that is the Lagna Lord. Then only you can have the entire chart reading under your control. And whatever which is associated with Aruda Lagna also will rise. What is the purpose of Aruda Lagna? Always wants to rise. Nice. That is why everybody, after the invent of mobile, wants to come into the social media and expose themselves through their knowledge, to the pictures, through videos, through photos. The entire purpose of the human life is to enhance that image. That is the first priority for every human being. What to do for increasing the image is to
rise.
Rise. Correct. Rise. Very good. So that particular rise will happen through that particular area. So now by closing, I also should know that why should I take Swami Vivekananda? People will ask. No, I should take some example chart also. Correct. So I am going to take your own chart. not your chart. I mean your chart. I am not going to take it here. I am just going to explain. Your Cancer Lagna.
Yeah.
Okay. So the Cancer, the Lagna Lord is Moon.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if the Lagna Lord is Moon, where is the Aruda Lagna? It is in Aries. Correct. And who is Aries? Lord of the Aries?
Mars.
Correct. Where is Mars from the Aruda Lagna? Your video struck. You have to make the video available. Hello? Your video is stuck. Hello? Okay, I think our video got stuck, and okay, so this video, we are finishing it with this lesson of Aruda Lagna. I hope almost it was in the area of completion. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you have any doubts on the Aruda Lagna, do send your comments below. You can ask in either in English or Hindi, so we can able to explain it to you. And also, if anybody is having any clarifications related to it, kindly write to it. Okay, write in the below comments. If you like this video, kindly like and also subscribe the channel. Thank you once again for giving an opportunity to talk to you, and thank you, Prachiji, for coming for an excellent discussion. Thank you very much.